My dearest child, with a new month comes new opportunities to grow on all levels. The past is gone, and you can now hit the reset button. The road ahead of you carries plenty of new beginnings. You are a beautiful soul on an endless mission to better your life. Keep moving forward. Type yes if you agree. It's important right now to think only of those things that you desire, not what you fear. As your thoughts are magnetic and have a frequency, if you are still feeling anxious, it's important to bring your focus back to the present moment and just breathe. Beautiful soul, release what you need now and flow with things the best you can. The future is bright and the path ahead is paved with divine unconditional love and light. There is a breakthrough in sight. Type yes if you agree. Don't ever settle. Not with love, not with your job, not with your city, not with your home, not with your happiness. If something does not feel right, don't let it continue for too long. If it does not feel right, let it go and leave it behind. Even without a logical reason, even without knowing what you will do next, leave it behind. Because it just does not matter. Type yes if you agree with this and also subscribe the channel. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you all.